In front of me is Honor 20 Lite, and let me show you how to use camera timer on the following device. So at first you need to open the camera app, then find and select settings, and here you will notice timer, smoothly marked, and now select if you would like to apply 2, 5 or 10 seconds delay. So let me choose 10 seconds, and from now on, as you can see, the picture will be taken after 10 seconds delay. You will also be able to see the countdown here. And that's it. As you can see, it has been grabbed. If you'd like to turn the timer off, or maybe you would like to change the timeout, just mark timer, and you can either pick 2 or 5 seconds if you'd like to decrease it, or you can turn it off, and now the picture will be grabbed right after you click. And this is it. That would be all. So you can activate camera timer in your phone. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.